Hello and welcome to my presentation in Minecraft about volcanoes. I am going to build a model of volcano and stop every time I make an improvement so you can see what volcanoes are like. So I'll see you after the first stage. I have just built the magma chamber, which I've surrounded in glass so we can see it. A fact about the lava that is in the magma chamber, it's usually referred to as magma because it's in the magma chamber. The temperature in the chamber is usually around 700 and 1300 degrees Celsius, which is very, very hot. I am now going to build the outside of the volcano and the secondary vent. I'll see you when that's done. Now we have the outer layer of the volcano and the secondary vent. The secondary vent is a small flow of lava coming from the side of the volcano. And the outer layer is burnt and scorched from where the lava is coming from the top, which I'm still to build. So now I am going to build the crater and show you the finished volcano. I'm also going to do a quick demonstration of what happens to the land around a volcano. I have now built the crater on top of the volcano. That's a slight dip at the top of the volcano where the main vent is. The main vent is where the lava comes out from during an eruption. When a volcano erupts, a large cloud of ash forms over it, which can poison the air. I will now build a little town down here to show what happens during an eruption. I am now going to demonstrate how lava can impact an area by breaking away this bit of the volcano, and it will go on my town. Come on, lava. Go and lava on my town. Despite the potential impact, people do sometimes live near volcanoes. In Iceland and New Zealand, people use the energy from volcanoes to drive turbines that generate electricity. Tourists also like to visit volcanoes, so often there are hotels nearby. Farmers also like the minerals that lava adds to the soil, making it ideal for growing crops. The minerals from volcanoes can also lead to gold, silver, or diamonds being created, so mining communities often exist near volcanoes. Here we have some example diamonds that I put down. Thank you for watching my volcano demonstration demonstration, and have a good day.